Hey everyone, and welcome back. We have another hair tutorial. All right, and we have a new one. Welcome back, Rae Rae. She hasn't been on here in a while since her last video, which was her cradle cap video, which was months ago. I know I need to do an updated cradle cap video, but as you can see, she has none. There's none in sight. So I wanted to do a quick hairstyle using some TréLuxe products. I want to thank them so much for sponsoring this video, and we're gonna get started. You can see her texture. I would say she's still in the type 4 category, but more type A. She definitely has a lot of curls instead of coils, and yeah, we're gonna get into styling her hair. Her hair has been freshly cleansed already. I have shampooed and conditioned it. So now I'm going to add a little more leave-in conditioner to her hair all over and saturate the strands. Now, she is 2 years old and her hair is not as dense as mine, so I don't use too much product. I use a little bit, especially since these products are very concentrated. So once I have the product smooth throughout, I am going to go in with parting her hair with a pintail comb. I'm going to create 2 separate sections, and I like to part her hair from her ears. It's always easier to start from the ears when you are parting, so you can get very straight and clean parts. The reason why I like to use the Nourish and Leave-In Conditioner first is because it smooths across the strands very easily. You can detangle with it, it replenishes moisture, and it will nourish the hair. It's super lightweight. If you want to apply more, you can, but this is a perfect all-in-one go-to 10-in-1 conditioner for you. All right, so once I'm satisfied with my part, I'm going to just tie up the back section, and now I'm going to add a little bit of a design on the sides of her head. So I'm parting off a small section, and then I'm going to detangle that section with that fine tooth comb. And you can see her hair really loves that leave-in conditioner. Her hair is very soft, movable, and it does seep and soak right into her hair very well. All right, now to smooth down the section, I'm going to use the high definition because this is their styling gel. This smooths the hair really well, and it does enhance the curl. It gives it some shine. It makes the hair very movable, and it does give it some hold. So I'm going to apply it to that small section. I'm going to take an edge brush and smooth the hair down. I'm going to add a rubber band, and I'm not going to twist the rubber band too many times, maybe 3 or 4, because I will be adding this to the top section, so I don't want to add too much tension on her scalp. So as you can see, I did the other side the exact same way. Now I'm going to focus on that top ponytail. I'm going to actually use a mixture of the Curl Supreme into more of the high definition gel. I'm going to use the Curl Supreme to add additional moisture and use some of that gel to smooth down that section very well. I really love this high definition gel to smooth the hair down, give some hold, add some shine, and it is packed with botanical ingredients such as tomato extract or soybean extract, which is really great at curl defining, curly elasticity, and giving the hair some flexibility. The Curl Supreme is a great definer as well and a moisturizer. This gives a soft hold. If you like twist outs or braid outs, this is a great product to use because it has light oils and butters in it and those active botanicals to give you the right amount of slip, curl clumpage, and moisture. So now I'm going to use some medium-sized rubber bands, a little bigger, and secure this section down. Now you can use hair ties, rubber bands, whatever you like. I like to use rubber bands just because I know at the end of the night I'm probably most likely going to just take the rubber bands out, so I don't mind using it, and I just really love that they are sleek. I need to get some hair ties that are thinner. If you guys know where I can find any super small hair ties with no metal on it, just let me know. Now I'm gonna go in and define the ponytail. Usually if I want really good clumpage and really good curl definition, I will twirl some of the sections around my finger. I'm just gonna grab a section, smooth it, add some water. I can add a little more gel, and you can see her hair is defining very well, okay? I wanna keep the volume. Now to add something else to that back ponytail, I'm actually going to do a single cornrow down the middle of that section. So I'm just going to part off the section, smooth it down with some gel, braid it flat down, and then I'm going to gather the hair together and put it into a ponytail. And I like to use a detangling tool to help detangle her hair. This works really well at getting any knots or any tangles out. I'm going to define the section in the back as well, do her edges a little bit, and the look is complete. What did you all think of this hairstyle? I know it was very quick and simple to achieve, but I wanted to get some videos out showcasing toddlers, all right, 2-year-olds and under. Perfect, simple hairstyles that you can do every couple of days or even daily that doesn't cause too much stress or tension on your child's hair. Let me know what you thought down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Do you want to see Rae Rae on the channel again? Let me know down below and give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.